Hello, Paul again here from EMD. Same car this morning I showed you guys on the first video. Today after that we replaced the fuel pump, we started the car up, the car started perfect. Like I said before, somebody else carried some repair on this one and cracked the hose and caused the actual fuel to actually run like that, and that's what happened. So just get a new pump, don't worry about just replacing that one, just get a brand new one. The reason why I say that, because these cars are getting to that stage of 20 years old plus, and the plastics are like this. See this? Plastic are like that. It's very easy to break. See, I can just snap it off my hand. Look at that. See? Very easy. So you can actually replace that, but what you do is you end up cracking the pipes inside the car. It's so old, so what's the point? So get a new fuel pump because they come with new hoses. Alright, so now we have to drain the fuel. Drain all the fuel out so it's empty, to make sure the actual fuel flow, the fuel float register 0 when we turn the ignition on, to make sure that actually nothing is getting caught along the way. And after that, when that's all good, and then we'll actually put the fuel back in, and then we'll go again and double check it. So we just finished doing that. Let me check the fuel level. Okay, the fuel level is saying it was on halfway. Now it's come down to there. It should be on 0 because it's empty. So we have to look, make sure that nothing is obstructing the float, because it should be 0 right now. But sometimes you gotta turn the car off for 10 minutes and then double check it, because it's too quick for the actual computer to register. Anyway, thanks for watching and please subscribe.